In this video, I'll provide an overview of the Bridgeline Commerce platform, which offers the ability to manage an extensive product catalog and shopping cart, coupons and promotions engine, checkout process, taxation, payment handling, order fulfillment, and more, all in a highly secured PCI Level 1 certified environment. So let's get started here. I'll first start off by showcasing some of our great customers that use our commerce platform to power their customer experience and drive online revenue. Okay, so before we look at the admin, let's take a quick look at some of our current clients that are powered with the platform here. You can see crowsill.com. They are a bed and bath company, have very elegant contemporary bedding and bath collections and home decor. You can see a very nice, beautiful homepage here with large, engaging imagery. They're highlighting a promotion that's going on, nice tiled layout of different images, different products that they provide for, nice featured products. And then breaking down the navigation here, if I want to drill into one of their categories, the product listing page. All of this, I would say roughly 90 to 95% of their experience is powered with our accelerator framework of core templates and modules. So we went through a rapid branding exercise to apply the crowsill.com look and feel to it and get them up and running very quickly with the platform. You can see on the product listing, we have the ability to provide for faceted search, where we can allow the user to narrow their search based on different product attributes. So in this case, we're looking at price, by size, by pattern, color, etc. You can narrow your search further. Then, of course, find the appropriate product of interest. Different sorting capabilities as well there. At the product detail level, all the details around the different views of the product. The SKU information, if we had different variants of the product for different colors, that would appear here as well. You can see tabbed content for overview, description, shipping information, reviews, etc. And then we can relate products as well. In this case, we also have recently viewed, so keeping track of my history of what I've looked at. And also we can have the cross-sell, upsell capabilities at the product level here. You also have the sharing features available here for social sharing. All that is native functionality. Another great customer of ours is pny.com. So they are a consumer electronics company. They're very well known for their USB drives, memory cards, high performance graphic cards. A lot of great technology here. And there's another very engaging site. You can see their mega menu. They have some nice visual thumbnails of the product categories. They basically have segmented their products into two different primary categories for home, or B2C, as well as B2B. All right, and it's the same underlying product data. It's just being presented in two different contexts with different calls to action. Right, so under for home, I can see the pricing information on the products. I can add to cart, checkout. For business, of course, I don't see pricing information, but my call to action is to contact a representative for my business needs. Right. Great case study here. I can drill into one of these particular product categories of Power Packs, for example. I can watch a video directly from here, or again, I could see my faceted search to narrow down my search here. I have quick look capabilities to preview that information of the product. I can directly add to cart from here, or drill into the product detail page. I can see, again, tabbed content about the product, specifications, warranty support, resources, etc. Again, native support for ratings and reviews. The shopping cart checkout process, all that is native functionality. Right. Another great case study is the UPS store. We basically power their complete digital enterprise, everything from the underlying franchise locations. So they have over 4,700 locations throughout the US. They're powered with our platform. We also power the upsstore.com. We power their shopping experience underneath the shop tab. And also their corporate intranet is powered with our solution. All right, so very great case study for us. And you can see here as I drill into the products being presented with product listing pages, looking at, in this case, virtual products where I can order these online and have my logo applied to it, for example, right? So they support for virtual products right now. We'll also be supporting physical products in the future for pickup in store or being shipped directly to the consumer. And the final case study to take a look at is Triumph Motorcycles. This just recently launched or relaunched on our platform, went through a redesign, and they've been a customer of ours for a number of years. They're a traditional B2B company that basically sold through a dealer network, and they had the need to go direct to consumer, right? So they chose our platform to get them direct to consumer. They're actually based out of the UK, but they also leverage our relationship with UPS Logistics for handling the warehousing, pick, pack, ship, and fulfillment. Right, and so our platform powers their complete commerce experience online here, where they sell motorcycles, parts, accessories, clothing, merchandise, and again, the ability to navigate through their product catalog, taking a look at the product details, that faceted search capability, all that is native functionality that's built into our platform here. Right. We also have integrations with Amazon, with eBay, marketplaces, so they can manage everything efficiently with our platform and push it out to these different marketplaces. So again, another great case study. At this point, I'm going to jump back to the admin. We'll take a look at the dashboard here for commerce, and you can see right on the dashboard is really a snapshot of all the recent activity from a commerce standpoint. All right, so all my recent transactions for today, any high-level stats around top viewed products, top purchase categories, nice financial summary for week to date, month to date, etc., and also an area for low inventory alerts. So lets me know that what items are out of inventory or approaching low inventory, so we can replenish that inventory. Okay, and we then segment the platform into these main categories across the top. So store manager, that's really where I'm managing everything about the online product catalog. So we have our catalog there, drilling down to the different product types and different SKUs. All that's managed within this section here. All of my product attributes, so the different sizes, colors, etc. All those attributes are managed within the platform. Dynamic navigation categories, where we can have a product, a single SKU that crosses multiple categories based on a series of business rules. We also have a very robust coupons and promotions engine built in here. Price sets for handling discounting and also tiered pricing for customers. And also the ability to manage featured products. So if I want to have some featured products on the home page, on the shopping cart and checkout process, we can manage those directly from here as well. All right, and then there's another area for customer service here. We're seeing the ability to manage orders, so to fulfill those orders, also handle returns and reverse logistics, handle different payment methods, also the product reviews. So we have, again, native reviews and ratings built in. All of that is managed within this customer service area. Then we have, under reports, we have a whole slew of out-of-the-box reports for looking at sales and orders and back orders, all different ways to look at all this transactional data. All of these are out-of-the-box reports that are available within the platform. We do have an area for administration, more for configuration and setup. We do have the ability to manage multiple users here, manage all of our customer data, and then for all the different store settings around, perhaps there's multiple warehouses, there could be different payment methods we want to manage, different shipping methods. So we have a provider framework where we can integrate with different third parties for handling payment, taxation, shipping. All of those are configuration settings that are available within the platform here. All right, so let's take a deeper dive into the product catalog. I'm just going to jump over into my other demo site here. So you can see here we have a listing of products within the product catalog. Here's our underlying SKUs. So I can jump into, let's take for instance this black mug. We'll take a look at that. Just do a simple right click and I can edit the details of that particular product. So at this level here, I could see the product information, the product name, the short description, etc. The SKU level specific information, right? So at the SKU level for those individual items, all the pricing and cost information. I can have multiple SKUs that fall underneath the product. So again, for different colors or sizes, all the different variants around that product can be supported here. All the different attributes of it, whether it's available to sell or not, or if it's unlimited quantity, free shipping, those are all things you can turn on and off here. We can also have attributes that are relevant to your experience. So again, if you wanted to have different facets that are available and filtering based on color, based on category, those are all things that can get applied at the product level here. We have a series of tabs at the top to manage this product. So not only the general details, but I can also look at, for this product, if it belongs to any price sets. So here we have some discounting or sales that have been going on. So here it has a start date and it goes on forever basically. So that it belongs to 4 different price sets right now. And this, again, price sets are used for not only discounting, but also for tiered pricing based on your customer relationships. Right? So again, that gold, silver, bronze level of pricing can be accommodated for here. From an inventory standpoint, we can manage inventory native within the application. In this case, we have it selected as unlimited. I can also specify value here. We also can integrate with an ERP. So a lot of our customers have ERP platforms already in place, and we have our API where we're exchanging that data back and forth. So any orders that are placed on the site, we hand off to the ERP. They can handle the order fulfillment there. We can do the authorization and capture or determine where that happens on either side, basically, and also get the order history. Any orders that are fulfilled through the ERP, we get a notification back and can then notify the customer through the platform. Or everything can be handled out of the box here. So it really depends on the implementation, depends on the customer requirements. We can also manage all of our different images, all the different views, the front, back, side, etc. It's basically unlimited different images that you can have within here to view this product on the front end. You can also, it also supports video as well. You can also see any of the navigation categories that this product belongs to. So again, you can have a single SKU within here, but it can cross over multiple navigation categories. Or we also handle the SEO terms. So each product detail page gets generated dynamically, and it pulls in all the relevant metadata that you populate here. And finally, at the product level, we can have related products, so the ability to cross-sell, upsell. If I'm looking at this particular mug, I can also showcase the travel mug, the plain mug as well. Right, so different capabilities there to cross-sell, upsell at the product detail level. We can also do that at the navigation category level. So for product listing pages, have cross-sell, upsell opportunities. Again, there's also the ability to manage features at the homepage level, the shopping cart level, etc. So let's take a look at the navigation categories here. And this shows you how the products are set up. And for these categories, we can set up a series of business rules under filters here that applies the appropriate attributes and filters to this listing page, right? So for accessories, in this case, I'm filtering down for this particular attribute, right? So it's really up to whatever your business rules are and logic. You define a number of different rules here, and you can build as many rules as you want into this to present the relevant products. We can manage our facets here at the product listing level. Here's the facets that would appear on the left-hand side to narrow the search down. Any of the details around this is more on the SEO side of things. And again, finally, at the navigation level or the listing level, we can have related products that appear as well based on business rules. Okay, so moving on to coupon management. Again, we have a very robust coupons engine where we can set up a series of coupons. I'm going to go in here and edit this existing coupon. Take a look at this here. You can set up as many coupons as you want, have as many promotions running at any given time. You can see that you have the ability to manage the coupon details, the name of the coupon, the start and end date. You can have it run on forever if you wanted to. Max number of uses, total uses, the max discount amount to apply to an order, the minimum purchase amount, and the maximum uses per code. You can also apply this coupon so it's stackable, auto apply it so the user doesn't have to enter the coupon in, so it can just be used as a sale, for example. So a lot of different settings at the coupon level. In this case, we can add a single code, enter in a single coupon code, upload a whole series of different codes, or have the system generate random codes there for your coupons. In this case, this is set up as an advanced coupon, so you can set up a whole series of business rules. In this case, you can see there's a couple different options for users that buy certain items or spend a certain amount. Again, you can build out as many rules as you want here. You can even narrow it down and say, all right, specific to customers who bought certain types of products or spent a certain amount. So it really allows you to have some advanced filtering as far as who these coupons apply to. All right, and finally, just to take a look at our order management. Again, we can provide for the order fulfillment capabilities from here. I'm just going to change the date range real quick. I'll just go back quite a bit and run a filter here. So looking at some of the orders that have been placed, and again, this is my demo site, so there's not a lot of activity here, but I can see for this user, the order that I placed on the site here, I can go in, edit the customer itself, edit the order, take a look at the order details. We can update the status of the order, manage, if we want to apply a coupon after the fact from a customer service standpoint. If they forget to apply the coupon, they call in, you can manage that from here. You can also manage additional payment methods, see the whole shipping summary, select the specific shipping method here. If you want to change that out, that's an option as well. Seeing the whole summary of the order, again, ability to update the status of the order directly from here, or we can again handle integration with an ERP where that's where the order fulfillment happens. We can also email a receipt from here, manage the customer from here if we want to drill into this particular customer, see all the orders that this customer has placed on the site. We have that capability here as well. So looking at this particular customer, seeing all the attributes around that customer, all the information, their profile, we can capture as many attributes as you want. You can see any of their recent activity, any emails received, any audience list that they've been assigned to. Also, you can handle their payment methods, shipping methods, any customer notes can be applied here as well from a customer service standpoint. Any of their past orders, all that resides within the platform here. All right. Any orders that are relevant to that customer, you can see all the orders that they've placed over time. Ability to export the data out of the system. So a very robust platform for customer service management. Again, we can also handle reverse logistics with the platform. One thing to note, there's also a B2B module where we can have pay on account methods. We can have multiple users under an account. So our platform supports not only B2C, but also B2B as well. All right, so that concludes my quick overview of the commerce platform. A lot to see here, a lot more functionality beyond this. So any questions that you have whatsoever, please feel free to reach out. Thanks so much.